NBC29 forecast.
It was a day of thickening clouds, chilly temperatures, and since this afternoon and now evening, dealing with rain and snow and sleet across the region. 37 currently at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. That is a cold rain that is falling. As we move to the west, we have temperatures that are at or just around freezing. 32 right now at the Valley Airport. That is light snow that is falling. Reduced visibilities as well. For the most part, most of the road surfaces are just wet with the snow melting. The grassy areas, the elevated surfaces getting the coating of that snow. Right now across the region, we've got 40 in Louisa, one of the warm spots, 36 in Palmyra, same in Buckingham, as you might imagine, 26 at Wintergreen with snow falling, and then temperatures right at or right around freezing in the Shenandoah Valley from Harrisonburg to Stanton with reduced visibilities and the snow coming down. There's a look at NBC29's Doppler radar. Most locations east of the mountains are dealing with a cold rain. Yes, there could be some snowflakes mixed in, but primarily rain. And then you go closer toward the mountains and west, and that's mostly snow, but areas of sleet as well, and that'll continue. Here's has it overspread the region this evening, and of course the air mass initially was very dry, and so as the precip fell through the dry air, it cooled it, dynamic cooling, and so that's allowed the temperatures to fall now back for most of us in the mid to some lower 30s. And you can see this surge of moisture working up from the south and west, and we've still got several more hours ahead. We've got a winter weather advisory, as you might imagine, for the Blue Ridge and the Shenandoah Valley. That'll go until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's those higher ridge tops and basically elevations above 2,000 feet that have the best chance of several inches of snowfall. The valley floor, which sets about 1,300 feet, probably a coating upwards to an inch. But again, the higher ridge tops, both the Blue Ridge, the Alleghenies, will see more in the way of accumulations. And as we take a look at temperatures tonight, they're pretty much in the mid and lower 30s, but again, expected to stay above freezing here east of the mountains. Temperatures tomorrow, most of the rain will be in the morning early. We could have a leftover shower. We'll hold on to the clouds, winds out of the southwest. We're in the 50s to around 60 here tomorrow, and we're going to hold on to mild conditions this weekend. Yes, a good chance of rain, but it's not going to rain constantly. There will be breaks in the action. We could have some rain on Sunday morning, then a break, and then by Sunday evening, Sunday night, a better chance of rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder, and that'll take us into early on Monday. Looking at the combined period, perhaps anywhere from 1.5 inches, maybe up to 2.5 inches of rainfall. There was the GFS model. Here's the European model. So very similar conditions. Heaviest rain is expected to stay out across the Ohio Valley. So one storm system is skirting to our south here tonight. We've got residual cold air locked in place, but it's going to erode, but that's allowed for some of us to see some wintry weather here this evening, and Futurecast is still showing that for a couple more hours. And then basically as we go through the late night and overnight period, we're primarily dealing with patches of rain working through, and then Saturday morning we'll start in the 30s to around 40. Much of the day is cloudy. There could be a leftover shower in the 50s to around 60, and then here we are Sunday morning, one batch of rain, but we'll probably wait until the evening hours to see another line of showers, maybe even a storm roll through. So a cold rain tonight, some areas of snow and sleet, temperatures in the 30s. Again, there's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A wet weekend, but there will be dry times, mild temperatures, and right now the rain looks to taper off by Monday morning.